Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
What's up, Conscious Indulgence family? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you guys 2 of my favorite dessert smoothie recipes. These Conscious Indulgences are absolutely delectable and super easy to make. These smoothies are vegan, non-dairy, and healthy for you. So if you'd like to create some of these dessert recipes at home, stay tuned. And there you have it, 2 delicious, dairy-free, healthy meal replacement smoothies. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching.